famous Adelaide hills offer one of the best Australian driving experiences, Gorge Road, a scenic but challenging route often used as a rally stage, featuring tight hairpins and dramatic scenery. It's the kind of drive that reminds you why you love being behind the wheel in the first place. No distractions, no straight lines, just you, the road, and the next bend waiting to test you. The Adelaide Hills are home to some of the most engaging driving roads in Australia, not because they're fast, but because they're alive. At the centre of it all sits Gorge Road, a 27-kilometre stretch linking the edge of Adelaide to the deeper hills, carving its way through valleys, rock faces, and eucalyptus forest. Starting just minutes from the suburbs, the transition is immediate. One moment you're in the city grid, the next, you're tracing the contours of the land, following a route that originally evolved from a 19th century track before being fully sealed in the mid-20th century. This isn't a road you blast, it's one you flow through. The section you chose is only around 15 kilometres long, Millbrook towards Adelaide City. We are only aiming to get to the suburbs right underneath the hills. Blind corners that tighten after the apex, rapid changes between 80 kilometres an hour zones and 30 kilometres an hour bends. Even locals note that maintaining speed limits through some sections is unrealistic due to how tight and technical the road becomes. The road follows the natural line of the Torrens Valley, meaning it constantly adapts to the terrain. Rock walls on one side, steep drops on the other, rolling elevation as you climb from the plains. Can you hear the kookaburras singing? Majestic birds, aren't they? But stay alert, wildlife, fallen trees, and loose rocks are common here. Take it easy through the blind corners. Gorge Road isn't just scenic, it's been used in rally events, cycling races like the Tour Down Under, classic car runs. Its mix of technical corners and elevation changes makes it a natural proving ground, but also a reminder that this is a public road first. Kangaroo Creek Dam. The completion of this dam in 1969 submerged 4.8 kilometres of the original road and its original bridges under the reservoir. Dam on your left, marking the halfway point. From here on, the road only gets better. This next stretch is easily the most scenic. descent there. Road surface gets a bit rough here. There are plenty of trucks cruising up and down. There's an operational mine on your left in Pinkerton Gully.